Hello guys, today I'm gonna be making another video. It's been like maybe 3 or 10 minutes since the other video. I said that in my own videos, I said that I would be making 2 videos a week. I kept that, I promise. So this is my second video. In this video, I will be showing you how to make a Lego balisong or Lego butterfly knife. So yeah, let's get on the video right now. So first, you're gonna take 11 holes Technic brick, 2 of those, and a 9 hole Technic piece for the blade. And then you're gonna do in the other videos you see that you should have 3 of these pieces, but those who don't have 3 of those pieces, you're in luck today, cause you don't need 3 of this, you only need 1. You know how? You'll see. So first, you're gonna you can either put this piece anywhere here. So I'll put it, let's put it here. Yeah, there. No, let's put it here. There. Next, you're gonna take this. You're gonna take 1, 2, 3, 4 Technic pins that are like this. The other side is long, the other side is short. I'm gonna put both of them here, the long ones inside, so the short ones should be facing outside, like that. And then next, you're gonna take, oops, I kind of messed it up though. I think you have to put it like this. Next, you're gonna put it, no, actually, I'm sorry guys, it's supposed to be like this, the short ones in first. I'm sorry if I kind of messed it up. Like that. So you're gonna put a 3 hole Technic piece, put it there, so it should look like this. You're not yet done. In the other side, you see the short piece, so you're able to put 2 of those pieces again and put another 3 hole Technic piece. There, you're done. But if you wanted to look better or the quality better, you can put the middle piece upward 1 hole, like that. Next, if you want to make it better, you can put these pieces, tile it up like that. Like that. Then the other side too. There are no custom pieces in the making of this video. There. Next, gonna take you can just tile it up like this. You can make it the same color, or it's okay if you make it not the same color, because it's fine. I just wanted to make it all black because that's the only piece that I have more, and it kind of looks nice, isn't it, right? So tie it up. That. So you see these gaps here, here, and here. You're gonna tie them up too. And take another, like that, the other side too. And then you're done, see? The blade is hidden. I'm gonna show you how to open it. So first you're gonna flip it up, look like this, then twist it around, and you're done. Thanks for watching, guys. See you in the next video. This is Andre signing up. Peace.